Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? This magnetic levitating globe from NH Sunray is nothing short of magical. It came well protected in its packaging, and I think it would be very easy to give this as a gift just the way that it is. The instructions were very straightforward. After plugging it in, you simply have to use the included plastic separator device to position the globe on the magnets and get it to levitate. So it wasn't very difficult for me, and once I was able to have it balanced and I removed that plastic piece, you simply tap it or turn it lightly and it starts to spin, and it will continue to spin all on its own. That blue light is just gorgeous, so day or night, this globe is a conversation piece. So wherever you decide to place it, it's extremely eye-catching. No one is going to be able to ignore it. It really does seem like a magic trick, the way it just spins on its own and levitates on absolutely nothing. So if you're looking for something extraordinary to give or have for yourself and place either in your office, your study, or anywhere in your home, this beautiful levitating globe is exactly what you're looking for. It's gorgeous, easy to set up, and it's entertaining to watch. And that is my point of view.